What's happening with meme coins? Well, if you are in the crypto industry, you might ask that question yourself quite frequently, especially in the last previous weeks, because, well, everyone knows that they are on the rise and many of traders are making, or at least they hope to make quick buck out of it. And indeed, there are plenty of examples where some complete nonsense coins have made 10 or even 100-fold returns. But we have to ask ourselves the question, is it that simple, or is it simple just a smoke? Well, let's find out. First and foremost, I don't actually have a clear definition of meme coin, and if you want to have precise definition of meme coin, you could Google it or write it in the chat GPT. But overall, it would sound something like this, that it's coin which has no real purposeful value of any kind of utility or economic value, so to speak, but it's simply meant to have fun or hype, and its price and performance is completely related to its popularity, not to its fundamental performance. Even though I have to ask how many crypto coins actually have performed according to their performance rather than popularity, but that's another question. But nevertheless, you got an idea here, right? This is what crypto meme coins are, and this is how they rise. They get popular, they get hypey, they have interesting story or some catchy trends, and they spike. And if you are buying early and you are making money, correct? Well, not exactly. Here's one thing that you should know. We are living in the crypto bull market, and meme coins, as in general, only makes money when there is general bullishness in the market. It's investing ABC, but if cryptocurrencies will fall like for 70%, I have to find it really hard to make some decent money by buying meme coin stocks. So this is one thing. You're always remembering that you have to have extremely well market conditions for meme coins to actually rise, because, well, look at this time period when they have become popular. Like, this is like first half of 2024, and at the time of recording, which is second half of July 2024, crypto coins are on the rise, hence meme coins are rising. And secondly, most of the meme coins are created on already established blockchains. Like, there are some meme coins like Shiba and a couple of others which I don't really know, because I don't think you have to spend time to develop your analysis for meme coins. That's nonsense with it in itself. But maybe a couple of them are on their separate blockchains, but most of them are on already created blockchains. For instance, on Solana blockchain. What that means is that fate of these coins for 80% will be dependent on the blockchain itself. In other words, if Solana goes good, meme coins have better future rather than opposite, because if Solana will drop for existing approximately $180 to 10, which it were somewhere 1 year ago, I doubt that meme coins based on Solana blockchain will make as much money as they could. So these are a couple of things that you have to consider. Firstly, general market conditions, and secondly, the coin which has the blockchain for these meme coins. If those two are good, then you could look more specifically into meme coins, and then we could go to something like Dex Screener and open topic Solana, where are coins which are based on Solana. And then you could see those fabulous 1000% returns and whatnot, because if you open it like we have it now, you could see that many of them have pretty staggering results. For instance, Biden is out has risen for 4,298%, and then there is the Trump, which is dark Trump, which has risen for 2,322% as of time of recording. So if I am opening this coin, you could see that it's only been established 4 hours ago. it has been, how old is this coin? I have to, excuse me, no, we have established that it's 4 hours long, and it only has Twitter account. But volumes are pretty decent, as I am seeing, because we could see that we have transactions each second, but it's little time to establish some daily volatility and whatnot. And then we have the Trump coin, which has similar pattern. It only has, oh, it has website as well. It has website, Telegram, and Twitter as well. And it has been established for 5 hours 29 minutes at the time of recording. And it has similar patterns, so it's basically just killing it. You know, those who bought it at these levels, at early levels, probably could make those tenfold plus returns on paper. And yes, the website is as dumb as you could expect it, but that's not the idea. What was the idea with these extreme price examples? It was very, very trendy news because, as you know, at the time of recording, Biden just resigned from its presidential candidacy, and this is news all over. So quick traders and quick con artists were able to launch coin and sell it to audience which hoped that they will make a quick profit, and it has been rising. So you could see that it has at least 20-fold profit opportunities if you are indeed able to buy it somewhere here and sell it here. But here's the thing, what's missing here? Here's one thing that's missing, that you could only see winners in this chart because the DEX screen itself will by design show you only the trendy coins, and it's probably like less than 1% or 0.1% of the whole coins which has already been launched even today. And in most part these coins will be dead after one day because, well, most of the coins live for one day, and what you see here is extreme case of survivorship bias, or in other words, we see like 20 trending coins which has been trending for just one day, and then these coins will collapse as they have been risen. So realistically, to buy and hope that your coin will be making 10x returns is extremely slim, because, well, we have to establish, let's see whether we could make some other examples, but overall this is simply an illusion. So if you are buying coins, do not look at those who are already trending, because the rise has been there. So I'm opening now 3 random coins which I just found it, and you could see that how does they look. You see this is daily chart, and actually this coin has been there for a pretty long time, and you see it has shown 90% fall in just one day. Then there is another example. This is more typical example. Coin has been launching at 20th July, made some quick gains and quick money, and then probably insiders were dumping it and it collapsed. And this is case number 3. This coin actually is only 2 hours long. So in this case, those who bought early probably lost most of their investment because it simply went out. Probably insiders sold something. It looks like they sold only a couple of thousands of dollars, and there were no additional buyers, and it collapsed. So this is a typical example that most of the coins will be living for just like 1 or 2 days maximum, and most of them, those who will be making money, probably will be someone who is able to create algorithmic bots which are automatically buying and selling these orders because they are too fast for human eye to catch. So if you want to actually trade these type of trades, you have to buy bots which understand how buying and selling transactions happens. And this is actually not for beginners. People who are understanding how liquidity works and how markets operate might make some money if they already have resources and knowledge. Then this is a possibility. But other than that, you are probably risking losing your money almost certainly with meme coins, because yes, there was that Biden out and Trump coins which were spiking, but this is like 0.1%. In most of the cases, your coins will look something like this. If you are able to buy it here and sell it here, it might be true, but whether you will be able to speed up with algorithms? I doubt so. Most likely you will be able to buy it here and sell it here, because, well, usually this is how it works. So here's the thing about meme coins. Firstly, there has to be general market conditions favorable to crypto or bull market. Secondly, the blockchain which most of the meme coins will be established has to have very good bull run, as we have it with Solana, because it has made phenomenal rise in past year, outshining Ethereum or Bitcoin. And thirdly, well, either you have to create your own coins or you have to buy it with algorithm which has some data and some knowledge already there, because otherwise you are trying to pick 0.1% of the winners, and this is even more complicated than to picking stocks. This is almost impossible to do it on a consistent basis. So that's the thing about meme coins, and be sure that you are not the one who is holding the bag, as it is always with cryptos. So thanks for watching these lessons, and I hope you get some additional insights, and let's meet with another video. Stay tuned.